There's two new attractions at Boomtown Casino. No, this isn't it. It's a new RV park and a noodle bar.
I want to congratulate you on taking a piece of land that was vacant and giving it a really good use. I know Council President Gines loves that because it's right here in his ward. We want to thank you for that. We want to thank you for the work that you've done here in the Noodles Bar, and we don't want to thank you for this weather outside.
This is our Vice President of Operations, Mark Wong. He was really the one who put together the methodology for both the Noodle Bar and our RV park outside. You oversaw construction and timelines, costing, everything that we had about it, and really instrumental in bringing this to Biloxi. We had the Noodle Bar open for the last 2 weeks, and we've been through and refined it. It's actually a great thing. It's just one more amenity that we can bring to the public here that they wouldn't have expected prior. Noodle Bar is a simple, intimate environment where people can come in and have some delicious food quickly. The RV park allows us, as the only casino that doesn't have a hotel, to really import guests, bring them here and give them an extended stay, not only to experience what we have here at Boomtown, but also everything that Biloxi has to offer.